Health benefits of cloves and cinnamon water. Have you ever heard about cloves and cinnamon water? Cloves and cinnamon are two spices that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They're known for their anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. And recently, there's been a lot of buzz about their potential health benefits. But what are the real benefits of drinking cloves and cinnamon water? And how do you make it? In this video, I'm going to answer all of your questions and more. I'll tell you about the 10 amazing health benefits of clove and cinnamon water, and I'll also guide you on how to make it at home, so you can decide for yourself if it's worth adding to your daily routine. Before we get into the benefits, let's talk about what cloves and cinnamon actually are. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the clove tree, which is native to Southeast Asia. They have a strong, pungent flavor and aroma that has been used in cooking and medicine for centuries. Cinnamon is a spice made from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree. It has a warm, sweet flavor and is often used in baking and desserts. So, if you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, you'll definitely want to watch this video. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing health tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into our top 10 health benefits of cloves and cinnamon water. Benefit number 1, immune system boost. Our immune system, which serves as the body's natural defense mechanism, gains a powerful ally in the form of cloves and cinnamon water. Cloves, rich in the antioxidant eugenol, play a pivotal role in boosting the production of white blood cells, the foot soldiers of our immune army. On the other hand, the antimicrobial properties of cinnamon add an extra layer of defense, creating a robust shield against potential infections. Together, cloves and cinnamon form a dynamic duo that not only enhances immunity but also fortifies the body's ability to ward off illnesses. Benefit number 2, anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, while a natural response to challenges in the body, can become a silent precursor to a host of health issues when it becomes chronic. Enter cloves and cinnamon, natural anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Cloves, with their eugenol content, showcase remarkable anti-inflammatory effects, helping to regulate the body's inflammatory response. Cinnamon, on the other hand, contains compounds that inhibit inflammatory pathways. This harmonious combination makes water infused with cloves and cinnamon an effective strategy in managing inflammation, potentially offering relief to those grappling with conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel diseases. Benefit number 3, digestive health. Our digestive system is a complex network of processes. Cloves and cinnamon work together to ensure its smooth operation. Cloves, known for their carminative properties, help alleviate digestive discomfort by reducing gas and bloating. At the same time, cinnamon aids in the efficient breakdown of food, promoting optimal digestion. This combined effect makes clove and cinnamon water more than just a flavorful addition to your diet. It also serves as a digestive tonic that supports overall gastrointestinal health. Benefit number 4, blood sugar regulation. Regulating blood sugar is a crucial aspect of metabolic health, and cinnamon plays a pivotal role in this area. Scientific research suggests that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply striving for consistent energy throughout the day, incorporating cinnamon and clove water into your routine could be a tasty and natural approach to support metabolic balance. Benefit number 5, heart health. Cloves and cinnamon are known to be beneficial for heart health, potentially offering protection against cardiovascular issues. Their ability to lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels reduces the strain on the heart. Additionally, these spices have been shown to lower cholesterol levels, mitigating the risk of cardiovascular diseases. By incorporating cloves and cinnamon water into your lifestyle, you're not just tantalizing your taste buds, you're also showing some love to your heart. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Are you already a fan of cloves and cinnamon? Let me know in the comments below. Benefit number 6, dental health. A radiant smile goes beyond aesthetics, it often reflects good oral health. Cloves, with their centuries-old reputation in traditional medicine, bring natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties to the forefront. This makes them effective agents in combating bacteria in the mouth. Including cloves and cinnamon water in your oral care routine isn't just about fresh breath, it's a flavorful way to promote a healthy smile from the inside out. Benefit number 7, stress relief. In our fast-paced lives, stress is an unwelcome companion. Here, cloves and cinnamon come into play, not just as culinary delights, but as potential stress busters. The soothing aroma of these spices has been associated with stress reduction and relaxation. Picture winding down with a warm cup of cloves and cinnamon water, a comforting ritual that might just become your go-to stress relief strategy after a demanding day. Benefit number 8, weight management. For those navigating the challenging waters of weight management, cloves and cinnamon can be your companions on this journey. Cinnamon, with its potential to improve metabolism and regulate appetite, offers a flavorful addition to your weight management toolkit. By incorporating cloves and cinnamon water into your daily routine, you're not just enhancing the taste of your beverages, you're also adding a natural and aromatic support to your efforts in maintaining a healthy weight. Benefit number 9, anti-cancer properties. While no single food can claim to prevent cancer, cloves, with their impressive antioxidant content, bring forth potential protective effects. Antioxidants are the body's defense against free radicals, and by neutralizing these harmful molecules, cloves may help reduce oxidative stress, a factor linked to the development of certain cancers. Integrating cloves into your diet isn't just about flavor, it's a delectable strategy to fortify your overall health, adding an extra layer of defense against potential health challenges. Benefit number 10, improved brain function. As we delve into the realms of cognitive health, cinnamon steps into the spotlight with its neuroprotective properties. Research suggests that cinnamon may have positive effects on brain function, potentially enhancing memory and cognitive processing. So, if you're seeking a delicious way to support your brain health, the combination of cloves and cinnamon water might just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Picture sipping on this aromatic elixir, not just for the delightful taste, but also for the potential boost it could offer to your mental faculties. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can I make this magical elixir at home? Well, it's simpler than you think. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need a handful of cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 cups of water. Place a pot on the stove and pour in 2 cups of water. Turn the heat to high and bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the cloves and cinnamon sticks to the pot. The cloves and cinnamon sticks will begin to infuse the water with their flavors. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer. This allows the cloves and cinnamon flavors to infuse into the water fully. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the mixture has simmered for the appropriate amount of time, turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture into your favorite mug or glass. Be careful to avoid any cloves or cinnamon sticks from falling into your drink. Your cloves and cinnamon water is now ready to enjoy. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video. These are the top 10 health benefits of cloves and cinnamon water. It's incredible how these simple spices can have such a profound impact on our well-being. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment down below. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.